Good afternoon, students. This is Renush Joshi. Now we are starting with our another topic, that is the arrow features. So basically, what is the arrow feature? So Windows 7 uses a group of features called Windows Arrow. Arrow is a visual desktop experiment that combines translucent windows, appealing colors, graphics, effects, and convenient functionality. Arrow includes snap, peek, shake, and flip options, which we learn one by one. So firstly, we are just going through with the first option, that is the snap. So what is a snap? Snap allows you to resize open windows to make receiving and comparing easier. The screenshots given below show two windows before and after using the snap features. Like you can see, here is the two pictures which you can see there, the number 1 and the number 2. There is a difference between two. Like if you are going through with the number 1, so it would be the bit difficult to find out the difference between two of them if you are not seeing both windows at once. But in the number 2 option, you can comparing the things because it is having the two windows side by side. So this is the option snap, which makes it like if you want to compare two things in one window, so this option let you do that. Okay, so that is the snap option. Now we will learn about our second one, that is the peek. So what is a peek? You can view the open windows in the taskbar by using peek. Simply scroll the mouse over the taskbar icons and a thumbnail preview of the window display will appears. Like in the bottom, you can see here it is a peek option which works like that. It is having the, you can view the open windows on the taskbar, like it is the open with the window and the taskbar by using peek. Simply scroll the mouse over the taskbar menus. Like if you're hovering like this one, the mouse over there, like here, so it will show the thumbnail preview of the open windows in which you are working for. So this is a peek option which makes you let to do that. And the another one is, our next topic is shake. So basically what is the shake? When your desktop is cluttered with open windows, you use this shake to select a single window and close the rest. Like you can see the cluster over there are many windows, 1 2 3 4 over there, and now you are quite confused to whom you are working for. So what you select, you just want to make this cluster clear. So what you do, you just simply shake it. Like this option let you the shake the window, and in this cluster you need to just select only one. You have to just select only one, the rest would be the close. So this is the feature which let you do that. Now it's up to the, now we are on the option flip and flip 3D. What is that? Flip and flip 3D. So flip and flip 3D are the two ways by which you can see previews of all your open windows at once. Like you can see here, if you going through with the picture, it is the all preview of your open windows to whom you are working for. Flip will display previews in a row, and 3D will display them in as a stick. So this is the row, like we are using this is the row because here we are using the flip window. So this is all the previews are in the rows. And when it comes to the 3D, so it is as a stick. Like you can see the stick 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. So this is the stick. If you select the flip 3D option, then it will see all your previews one by one. So it is the arrange in the stack actually. So these are the features for our arrow.